Welcome to the Database Solution Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to connect one table to another using a drop-down field in TDB. This feature allows you to link related records and maintain consistent data across your tables. In this example, we'll be working with the employee table. Our aim is to change the current text field into a drop-down field so that instead of manually entering the department name, users can simply select one from the list. The drop-down values are pulled directly from the department table, so any new department added there is instantly reflected in the Employee Forms Department drop-down. Now let's configure the field. Open the table configuration and click the pencil icon to edit the field settings. Update the field type from text to drop-down, then set the drop-down subtype to table. After that, select the source table you want to link to, and choose the target field that contains the specific value you want to display in the drop-down. You may choose a single field or combine multiple fields in advance to make selections clearer. After that, save this setup. The drop-down field will now appear in the data entry form, allowing you to link records between the two tables. In case the drop-down selection has more than 100+ records in future, you can enable predictive search to allow users to quickly search and filter results within the drop-down. Go back to the field configuration and tick the predictive checkbox. Then click the Save button to save changes. Back in the employee form, the drop-down now shows Type to see a suggestion, allowing you to search and select from the linked records. And that's it. We have successfully connected one table to another using a drop-down field. See you in the next